It's never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
I pledge my love to you as we share the rest of our lives together. I promise to be kind, unselfish, maybe a little selfish, respectful and trustworthy, so that together our dreams of a beautiful future can come true. You are my best friend.
Love is what you've been through with somebody. And how true is that, especially for what you two have been through? But through it all, you have chosen each other. And I did not know Meagan's vows, but she spoke to this in her vows. But you guys have consistently chosen each other. And that is 100% the foundation of a strong marriage. Choosing each other each and every day.
I choose you, just like I clearly chose you that night long ago at the inn. Best is yet to come. We have a kismet fate. What can I say? You just give me that feeling. We don't marry the ones we can live with. We marry the ones we can't live without.
Travi, I have a present for you. Here you go.
I knew you were getting pictures taken. I just knew it.
Oh, come on. It's the best one. It's supposed to get you ready for the aisle.
I think I'm ready for the aisle. Whoa!
To Meagan, the one who tamed this man, may your beauty and the love in your eyes for my brother forever look the way they do today. The two of you are so in love. You both have waited long enough, and the love I see will last a lifetime.
Trying to help him succeed and celebrate his victories. And Travis, if you do the same for Meagan, man, you guys will have an incredible marriage.
Way too hard.
Right? And so I just want to encourage you to spend the rest of your life, not just up this point, but spend the rest of your life serving one another and celebrating one another. And in that, you will find great joy in yourself and in your own life and your marriage. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Wow.
You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to be the first to introduce you, Mr. and Mrs. Travis Shreve.
Travis got me kicked out of a baseball game, and it wasn't even his fault. I was standing behind off to the side of the backstop, and I was giving him signals on where he should pitch to everybody. They come over and say, you got to leave. And I'm like, why? The two of us could beat this whole other team and not even be on the field. That's crazy. I don't understand that. But it made me proud that the other coach had that much respect for Travis, because he was beating him along.
All right, sorry, I wrote this in the bathroom. When Andy left from Seattle to go to Virginia to better his life, he asked me to take his place and look after his brother. That was a large task. But I got big shoulders with my brother Justin Barnes, and we kept him safe. Since that day, Travis literally made a better life for himself and committed himself to being a better person, and just started killing it in life and met Megan, just was a better person. My job became easy at that point.
But I'd rather have the highs and the lows than be careful. The heart's more resilient than it is fragile, and I'd rather have the highs and the lows than be careful.
I am not only honored, but proud to be here today as his best man. I love seeing him succeed. Over the years, I have tried to come back home from the East Coast to visit as often as I can. I've come to realize that he is no longer Little Shreve. He is Shreve.
And I just want to say we love all of you, and let's freaking party.